We deal in strength. We deal in determination. We deal in spirit. We deal in integrity. We deal in blood, sweat, and dirt. We deal in sunshine and rain, in desert sand and mountain ice. At Land Rover, from the grassroots to the greatest stage, we deal in real. Proud sponsors of the Rugby World Cup. If you look up the word marathon, it will tell you that the first person who ran 26.2 miles died. He died, and he was a runner. You are not a runner. You are especially not a marathon runner. But at the end of this, you will be. Come running with us at nike.com/running. There's a time in summer in Wales when the sea changes. You can see it goes from grey to sapphire blue, and the breeze by the shore becomes fresh and inviting, and you just have to take your shoes off and paddle like a child. That's when I really think it's summer. And it was last weekend. You missed it. There are thousands of things to enjoy every day this summer in Wales. To find out what else you're missing, go to visitwales.co.uk. Don't let summer slip away. This season, watch football on a level never experienced before with the UK's first ultra-high-definition channel. Up to 4 times the detail of Sky HD. BT Sport in ultra-high definition. Only available on BT TV. Dedication. It's not easy. It's not glamorous. It's the stuff you do that no one else sees. Lions? Pfft, what's a snooze button? It can get a bit messy sometimes. There are no medals, no parades, no names in lights. But none of that matters if you can make the day seem brighter. Brennans. Dedicated to today's bread today. It's early spring. Skippers across the south coast are getting ship-shape for another week's fishing. Matt is skipper of the Our Miranda, one of Devon's top-earning boats. Every year, Matt catches over £1 million worth of fish. Most of Matt's crew have been with him for years. Over the next 7 days, they are hoping to catch over £40,000 worth of cuttlefish, Dover sole and monkfish, and the profits will be shared between them. But not all boats are doing so well. With 40 years of fishing under her belt, the Van Dyke is one of the oldest scallop boats in harbour. Her skipper, Drew, hasn't earned a penny in weeks because he's been stuck in port making repairs. Crewmates Pillar and Harry have been working unpaid all week to repair the boat's scalloping gear, but it's still not ready. With debts rising every day, Drew is insisting they leave as soon as possible, but his crew are not convinced.